Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance of the 2025 Kia K8 is incredibly appealing, harmoniously fusing athletic and elegant components. This design exudes a sense of luxury and modernity that is sure to draw notice. Kia has kept the iconic tiger nose grille, but it has a more aggressive and contemporary design. This grille conveys a sense of firmness and character. The LED headlights' extended and pointed form gives them a sleek, futuristic look. Additionally, this lamp has advanced lighting technology installed. A sporty and energetic image is created by the balanced proportions and flowing body lines. The roof seems coupe-like because to its small backward curvature. The sporty-looking alloy wheels that were chosen enhance the Kia K8's aggressive appearance. LED rear lights that match the trunk design give off a sleek, contemporary look. Additionally, this lamp has advanced lighting technology installed. The 2025 Kia K8's interior design is excellent. It seamlessly blends comfort, contemporary technology, and luxury features, along with a number of cutting-edge innovations that contribute to a pleasurable driving experience. The interior offers a serene and sophisticated ambience. Horizontal lines dominate the dashboard design, giving it a feeling of openness and modernity. The driver can readily access all of the main controls thanks to their ergonomic placement. A rich and high-end appearance is created by the use of premium materials like leather, wood, and metal. The most recent infotainment system's wide touchscreen makes it simple to access a number of amenities, including entertainment, navigation, and car settings. Clear, readable information is provided by the completely digital instrument panel. The look of the instrument panel may be altered to suit your tastes. In addition to wireless charging for your smartphone, the Kia K8 has a number of connection capabilities including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cottage has a cozy and peaceful ambience thanks to ambient lighting in a range of colors. Long-distance driving is made most comfortable by the ergonomically built front and rear seats, which provide strong lumbar support. This vehicle has a number of cutting-edge safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and an automated emergency braking system. A range of powertrain options are available for the 2025 Kia K8, catering to different driver preferences and demands. You may pick a car that fits your everyday requirements and driving style thanks to this large assortment of engines. Performance and fuel economy are well balanced in the 2.5-liter gasoline engine. This engine offers fast acceleration and is strong enough for regular use. The Kia K8 also has a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain option for those of you seeking a car with higher fuel efficiency. Low fuel consumption and smooth acceleration are provided by the combination of an electric motor and gasoline engine. The 2025 Kia K8 is anticipated to start at between $35,000 to $45,000 in the US. Given that it is a premium sedan with cutting-edge technologies and a stylish appearance. The most expensive model with all the capabilities, however, might cost over $50,000. Competitor considerations, currency values, taxes, and other elements can all affect prices.